Hello! In this video I will show you how to install GPT Widget on INFINIX Note 40 Pro Plus. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and then click on this application and click install. Now you have to click open and then click here to skip introduction and click open permissions. Now you have to click not now and click on this application to allow it to display over other apps, and you can go back and now click start. And now, as you can see, here's my GPT widget, and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded, and if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.